What's going on, tech friends? This is the One Tech Bus. So today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Ultra? Did I just say Ultra? Today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup, well, including the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra as well. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 is just a few weeks away, and wow, boy oh boy, I'm very excited. As a multiple sources suggest that it's being announced on January the 14th, and it won't be alone because the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus Ultra is set to be coming out with it when it launches. So first of all, we're gonna kick off with the release date and also the pricings as well. So Samsung always reviews its Galaxy S models early in the year, and recently in the years they've been releasing and been announcing it in February and then taking it to be sold in March. So we're expecting the same thing with the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. But it's looking very likely that the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup will actually land in January, with an official Samsung store in India even saying that the phone will be announced on the January the 14th, which is awesome. We get the phone a lot more earlier than the S models, which is pretty damn cool. So as for how much these Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup range will cost, the phone will probably still be expensive, basically the same pricing or similar or a little bit higher than the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup. So likely the pricing will be starting at a basic model at $999, so $999 or £899, with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra likely to cost even more than the basic standard prices for the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. Now we move on to the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup design and the display. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 rumors are flowing in, and I have a full hands-on video of the Plus model in action. You can go check the entire design of the phone, front and back, as well as the speed and the software interface. And if you want to go check that video out, you can click up here or you can click down below in the description section below, so you can go check that video out. In that video, basically the phone explains itself, because they show you everything about the phone, the design, features, or the quirks, or the specs. All that stuff will be in that one video. So if you guys want to go check that video out, it'll be linked down below, like I said, or you could have clicked it up here, but unfortunately your time has gone and passed. Anyway, so in terms of the screen size, it's going to be a 6.2 inch for the Samsung Galaxy S21, a 6.7 inch for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and a whopping 6.8 inches for the beast, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And with all that said, we're gonna have 120 Hz refresh rate with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, having an adaptive refresh rate that can automatically adjust as needed. The Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus apparently will have a Full HD Plus resolution, while the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is said to have a WQHD Plus display. But in my usage of the Samsung S series, you can actually toggle what resolution you actually want in the device built in, which is absolutely pretty cool. I always have mine on high, because why have a £1,000 phone when you can't use all the features and quirks on the device? Anyway, now we move on to the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup colors. As for the colors, we've heard the phone could come in a black, white, grey, silver, violet, and pink shadow. So we can be expecting the Samsung Galaxy S21 to come in violet, a pink, grey, and white. And all these colors are like something called like Performante pink, Performante violet, Performante grey, and white. And for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, it's going to come in silver, black, and violet. And also the Performante does follow on through these colors as well. And for the Beast, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to come in the Performante black and the Performante silver. Colors are a little bit boring, so I don't know if I don't know if I'm going to be stepping down from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to maybe like a lower range, maybe like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, so I get more colors to choose from. I don't know, but it depends on what these phones actually look like in the flesh and the eye, and the colors and how they look with the eye. So anyway, so yeah, I don't know. But now we're gonna move on to the camera and the battery for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series or lineup. So we're to get a 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel and a 12 megapixel rear camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and 108 megapixel, which to me could be a gimmick because of the failure with the Samsung Galaxy S21, the S20 Ultra, but I mean, they've had a year to improvise and make the camera better, so I don't know. Anyway, 108 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and a 10 megapixel and another 10 megapixel on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and that's going to be coming with and that could be coming with a 40 megapixel selfie camera. Well, it will be coming with a 40 megapixel selfie camera. So putting that with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, that's a big improvement with the selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So I can't wait to see how that actually looks on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And also there are leaks out there saying that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra could come with a whopping 150 megapixel for the camera, which is absolutely insane for a device. Even a camera doesn't have that amount of megapixel, but a small phone, wow, that's just amazing. Anyway, on the battery front, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, meaning that the rest of the models was going to have a lower capacity of battery. So you can expect the Samsung Galaxy S21 to have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus will be coming in at 4,800 milliamp hour battery. And also Samsung will be bumping up the fast charging speed up to 65 watt, which will be definitely welcome. And now for the specs. We're gonna have a Snapdragon 888 chipset for the UK and US and other places, and then the other places will have the Xeon 2100 chipset with an 8 gig of RAM. But the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra could be coming with a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM, which will be pretty damn awesome. And for the software, it will be running a One UI 3.1 / or Android 11. But yeah, that's the more up-to-date refurbished kind of information that I gave you guys a couple of months ago about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this the whole video, what I've said to you guys, will be expected to come out in the Samsung Galaxy S21 when it comes out, which is literally from today, maybe a couple of weeks will be announced. That's gonna be absolutely insane, and I hope they announce other things as well with the devices. That's gonna be cool. But yeah guys, that's been the video. Please don't forget to smash that like button, also subscribe, turn on your post notifications on so you don't miss out on when I make these types of videos. And yeah guys, thank you for the support and everything. It's been a massive boost to keep making and pushing on to making these videos. It's absolutely awesome. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. But yeah guys, anyway, for you guys out there that want to send me products, as you can see the table is pretty much empty. I could be unboxing things on this table, you know what I'm saying? But yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe so you're notified when I upload a video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.